If you'd like to control what files the users of your building passport can see, you can simply do this through the Access Control panel. Simply navigate to the home page of the building passport you want to manage. Click on the Access Control button here using the menu on the left, and you'll see a list of the users associated with that building passport and their role. Using the 3-dot breadcrumb on the right hand side, click Manage Permissions, upon which a file option will open up for you to click or unclick categories and specific files that you wish that user to have access to or not. Ensure you save any changes, and you'll see that the permissions have been saved and amended for that user. I'm going to log in as the user that's just had their file permissions changed to show you what that looks like from the other side, so you can see how the files look in Building Passport. So once I've logged in, I'm going to navigate to the Building Passport that I've just had the file permissions changed for, Demo Building number 10, into the Documents section, and this is what the user will see. Files that they have access to will be able to be highlighted, clicked on, have the various permissions and options from the breadcrumb menu here. Files they don't have access to will be grayed out, unable to click on, unable to use the breadcrumb